Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add to Watchlist on Pluto TV. If you want to add a TV show or movie on Pluto TV Watchlist, then it is a quite straightforward process. Start off by open a web browser. Type in Pluto.tv into the search box at the top and press enter. You will then end up in the official site for Pluto TV. Also make sure to log into your account if you're not yet, and then once you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and open up a TV show or a movie and click on this Add to Watchlist button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add the content on your watchlist. Your watchlist tab will be shown on the left hand side of the screen. That is how you can easily add a TV show or a movie inside your watch list on Pluto TV. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.